News, my wonderful people, it's happening. We can't bear it anymore. Katsina Assembly seeks talks with President Muhammadu Buhari on insecurity. It has gotten here and we are overflowing with this. People are dying like flies, and yet the president is from our state and cares not about what is going on with the people. Get the people licensed to protect themselves so they can carry arms. The president and his chiefs refuse, yet they do nothing to protect Nigerians. Well, you guys are the ones still deceiving yourself on President Muhammadu Buhari. It's like having hope on something that is hopeless. President Muhammadu Buhari and the government, they know to a large extent where their allegiance lies. Okay, you are the one who is thinking that Buhari has got your interests and has got you at heart. They know where they are at and where they are going. Okay, you are the one that is being used in the middle of all this. You are the one that is being used as a scapegoat. You said he's from Katsina, but really, sincerely speaking, his interest is for the people of Niger Republic. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. We can't bear it anymore. No, not anymore. Katsina Assembly seeks talk with Buhari on insecurity. This is enough. He must leave or do something. Now, Katsina House of Assembly has resolved to meet with Governor Aminu Masari and President Muhammadu Buhari over the deteriorating insecurity in the state, saying not anymore. Alhaji Abu Baba, the chairman of the House Committee on Information, stated this while addressing newsmen in Katsina. Ali Baba said that the assembly was worried over the rampage and the reports of banditry in the states and how people are being kidnapped and much more going on. According to him, the current insecurity in the state is worrisome and unacceptable. He pledged that the assemblyman would meet the president on the need to make adequate measures and take adequate measures against the bandits, or something else must be done. Something urgently must be done to checkmate the activities of those bandits. We are therefore tired. We cannot cope or conceal it anymore. The cooperation that we've given to President Muhammadu Buhari, because it's from us, has destroyed the nation and is destroying Katsina every single moment. Meanwhile, lawmakers have supported the governor call for people to take up arms against the bandits in the state and protect themselves, even though Buhari's government and his people, his chiefs, are against it. They have insisted that they will not allow lives and property to be destroyed beyond recognition because the president is from the state. So they are waking up now. Realization, okay? Moment of truth is beginning to set in. Moment of truth is beginning to set in. Okay, you cannot do that. You just can't do that at all. You can't do that at all. I mean, right about now, you can see what is going on. The president is not someone who is in affiliation with Nigerians, care for Nigerians, or is thinking about any Nigerian person. All he wanted was to get to that position. He has gotten there, and he has to fulfill the mandate of those who he holds theirs, and the people he holds there are the Niger Republic. Imagine Nigeria borrowed money that he will pay. Niger has no kobo tied to them in terms of debt, yet Nigeria is going into bankruptcy, and guess what? The Nigerian government, the Nigerian people are collaterals to debts that Buhari has collected. Yes, and we don't know if children yet unborn will be used as part of collaterals to service loans that President Muhammadu Buhari has collected. Yes, why all that is going on, Buhari are taking care of their debts. Nigeria borrowed, they get the free ride. Okay, Nigeria is borrowing, they are getting all the free roads, all the free cars, and what have you. Only God know how much, because we got to know and we saw the document. That's why you are aware that Buhari is gifting out the money that belongs to the nation, and yet he wants to come through the back door. After Buhari, another Buhari wants to come, and they expect you and I to vote. And I'm sorry to use this word, but I just have to use it. But stupidly, some people will still vote. and they will still vote Buhari again. It's sad, but it's the reality of our days and what is going on right now. People are genuinely suffering. Things are happening. Things have gone wrong. The nation is in a state. Okay, people cannot travel from point A to point B if God does not protect you. I don't know what else to say. Yet, the people of this nation will still, okay, because of 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira, blindly call upon Buhari again. I mean, what do we do? How do we remedy all these situations and things that are happening? This called for serious concern. This called for serious concern, honestly speaking, because the truth is, if we don't rise up to the occasion, if we don't ensure that these things, are changed, we don't know what will follow. We don't know, because Buhari, the people of Katsina has been playing games. And guess what? Another election is coming. Tribalism will set in again. Oh, it's from the north. It's from the north, so therefore we vote. And those are the same words they will use on you. The same government, the same people will come to tell you, and they will speak to you, and they will use language, religion, region to deceive you again. Oh, my people, Nigerians, how long are you going to allow yourself to be deceived? For how long? Just how long? Okay, just how long? Are you really sure that you are tired? Are you really sure you're tired? Because if you're tired, you will pick competence over, the fact that is my kinsman, is from my village. Okay, it's from this, it's from that. You pick competence over that. Looking at all the presidential candidates we have very before us now, which of these persons deserves and really has the capacity to rule Nigeria and to bring Nigeria to the place and to the position that we can truly have that difference and have the government we've all been envisaging and have a change? Which of these people, which of them, truly sincerely speaking, can we truly call upon and say, indeed, things are quite different? Which of them? Which of these people? Which of them? So there are issues, there are situations and issues, okay, that are on ground, and why, okay, Nigerians must rise up to the occasion. Why Nigerians must not allow such people, such things to continue. We can't allow it. We just can't allow it. We just can't allow it. Right about now is the time where decisions making is important. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. Bye for now.